Is a silent health epidemic starting right in your kitchen? Well, Dr. Mike Moreno, author of The 17-Day Diet and host of the Wellness Inc. podcast, joins me to weigh in on the disease that isn't obesity or diabetes, but just as dangerous. So, Dr. Mike, what is the silent health epidemic and why have most people never heard of it before?
It's been a long time coming, but fatty liver is here. And it's crept up on us in a way. You know, I've been practicing for more than 20 years. And initially, this is something that was around, but we didn't recognize how much of an impact it is.
And when you talk about fatty liver, why is fatty liver such a problem and people should be aware of it?
This fatty deposition, these fatty droplets that occur in the liver, they start to do damage to the liver and they cause inflammation and eventually scarring to the liver.
You have a fatty liver reversal diet. And you have 3 plates of food in front of you. Walk us through what's on each plate and why it's important in helping reversing fatty liver.
Excellent. So we're going to go. So it's about bad, better, best, right? We're always trying to get to the best. So the first one, I give you a good example. Pretty common, right? Your common breakfast sandwich, some hash browns to go with it. We can also bring in the cup of coffee. And the coffee's not so much bad, it's the cream that you put in there, that creamer. And top it off with some orange juice, right? We have no fiber, high in fat, and highly processed. We go to the middle group, right? A little bit better, right? We have some nice bran cereal with some little raisins in there. We also have some fresh fruit. Seems good, right? Seems like a good idea. And then you can take your coffee. Well, you know, coffee's great. I drink coffee every morning, but maybe a little bit of honey instead of the creamer, get you to that sugar or that sweet that you want. Now we go to the best. The best is the best because it's super healthy, super easy, super inexpensive. You basically take a container, you throw some oats in there, you throw some chia seeds in there, and then I like to use any unsweetened soy milk, almond milk, your choice. You put this thing in this little container. I like to maybe put a little cinnamon in there, and then again, good old honey, love it. And you shake this thing up and you put it in your refrigerator. Simple. That took me about 20 seconds to make. Now in the morning, you have this nice sort of breakfast and you can throw some blueberries in there or maybe some almond slivers. The key to this is it's high in fiber, low inflammatory, not processed. And this is a healthy way to go. We all ultimately know that a whole food plant-based diet is where we want to be. That's hard to do overnight. For some of us, it takes months and even years or a lifetime. But guess what? If you're always trying to head that direction, you're going to do yourself so much good. And I tell you, you're going to feel amazing.
Awesome. Well, Dr. Mike, thanks for the great information. And a lot of people realize that you can mix up your breakfast a little bit and still have the great taste, but get some added health benefits. So thanks a lot for sharing your advice.
You got it. Thank you.
All right. And of course, you can catch up with Dr. Mike by checking out his podcast, Wellness Inc. Now, we've added a link to our website, which is thedoctorstv.com.